What are men not doing enough to please women?
Don't put that in there. One,
Yeah,
they mean,
yeah,
they lazy,
yeah.
and then no respect.
Well, say them there again.
Mean, lazy, and no respect.
Oh, see? They mean, they're lazy, and they have no respect.
None at all.
So when I say they mean, I know, mean with what? The money or...
Mean with money.
Oh,
They want fuck girl and they want give girl nothing.
oh, see?
Free fuck and rape.
Free. So what about pleasing the women? Like sexually? You think say the man them a do a good job there, so?
My man do a good job, but I don't know about nobody else.
They done right, so.
You want to shout out to Instagram?
Instagram business page, Glamour Lashes. Lash number 5 this.
What are men not doing to please women?
The man them not eat the front.
Give me some of this motherfucker.
They not eat the front?
Yeah.
No, so you tell me, say, no man in a Jamaica not eat no front?
Some man do it, but the bad man them would have like to do it, they not do it.
Your parents are downstairs.
Don't stop.
Just a second.
We say bad man them not try it out.
They not try. And them have to try.
Oh, Zane.
Because I don't like soft man.
Bad man can't eat.
They can't eat.
Zane, so that means that the bad man them not doing enough to please the woman them sexually.
Yeah.
Suck it! Suck it! Suck it!
Because remember, you know, you say you don't like soft man.
One thing you put the Glock in my waist and fuck me. We don't want no soft man.
Oh, see, so talk to the bad man and make them know. So
No, Jesus, we don't.
and them know so them not do the right thing now.
Okay.
What the man them need for do for please the woman them?
Hear them.
Good. What else?
They don't fight one another and disgrace.
A peace and loving relationship. Now, so what about sexually or financially? You feel say the man them are doing enough?
Boy, me don't know, you know, because I never really have a single man yet.
You never have a single?
Single man.
We're gonna talk about it here tonight. We're gonna talk about it.
Relationships work out better when both parties can communicate with each other, and you'd be surprised at some of the things that can happen in a relationship when the man communicates. He gets a lot more from the woman when he communicates.
So the question is, what man not do to please you woman them? What we not do right as man?
Man them no want go look work. For mine them pity them.
And them just want a bag of girl. Them just want a bag of woman.
Man I have woman, but them for work and mine them pity them. Them for stop left the single mothers them for do everything, then the pity them turn to thief and crime and they fuck up everything.
And young girls want man early, cause them not have them daddy around them for teach them and them something there.
I feel away.
Yeah, them for stop around and
them for work and mind them youth.
And don't want mind to pity them. That is mostly what the man them not do.
I was being selfish and majorly insensitive. I'm a total idiot. I mean, a fool.
Them want a bag of woman, and when it come on to mind and to pity them gone. And that don't make no sense.
That make no sense because you just make the pity them and mash up the place. Them get big come thief.
The woman them will out there and sell them body or I work them nice good money and I take care of few women they will. You understand me I say?
What'd you say?
Them get a man woman them hard. Them want woman them so them mind them and that's the problem. The woman them are mind man. So the man them will go to the woman they will mind them. We don't have it. No, we don't have it. And that's the problem.
The man them for mind them pitney them.
Yeah.
Because so don't mind and the youth them get big
and mind them
and turn to thief and mash up the place and then them dead because guess a father figure never did it for them. Yeah.
Them need them father figure.
I tell you, and you look away in Jamaica as them get 14. Them not believing that for work and the father never show themselves for work. The father never did it for sure them said right from wrong. So them get big before time and go take on the world and police kill them. Them dead. The father figure not dead them.
And then we can send them to school all the time. And
but God big up my three boy pity them. Ramon, Damian and Junior. Me and them mother and father.
Sure no.
Yeah.
Big up my brother Hero.
6 me have.
The father Powell, right there some mother one.
And big up my niece Kedin. We do beauty bar hairstyle, yeah? Kedin, yeah. She go on bad for the ear and the makeup. Cool. Check her on IG, Kedin Beauty Bar.
See?
Yeah.
Shout out to my sister them. Big up the whole of my family, my friends. Yeah. Big love, enough love. At 2021 I will push harder and harder. No matter what, we not stop. And no matter what, all the man them gone, or they have to spin them, because you know what?
They are for my own
God
them.
alone I do it too.
God will judge me, they are for
Yeah.
my youth them.
God alone you out. Him who serve, no man. That's why I'm not take care of no man.
So the question is, what are men not doing enough to please y'all, women?
Well, for the most part, I would say attention, because most women love attention. Earlier you said elaborate, but I don't know how else to elaborate. Attention is something that women need. It enhances security. It makes you feel less insecure when a man gives you that much attention, like you love it.
Outdoor late at night? Yes. Right? Yes. Now, brother, we talking about love.
The man them in the house to start show the woman them the attention what then this year.
Dates and stuff like that are very important. Like randomly you could call me and say, babe, put on your clothes, you're going somewhere.
In other words, them little things that will matter the most.
Right.
You want to shout out your Instagram or your business?
Well, you can follow me on Ninja Nikki Nails or Crazy Ninja Nikki on Instagram or Nikki Cole Brown on Facebook. I do nails in Montego Bay.
You have a location?
I'm on 9th Strand Street, across from Western Meat Supplies, upstairs Stock Fashions.
What are women not doing enough to please men?
One of the things them is that women they're not sure so they're interested in a man.
Oh.
Yeah, some of them. And some of them they not be truthful. You see me? You say if you not like a man, tell me say you not like him. You're not interested in him.
Yeah.
Now make him feel like say he might chase you a lot.
Yeah.
You see me? But you tell the guy say, you know say me don't want him. You see me? Yeah, I make him go on the way. And if you're serious, you let him know. You understand me?
Ain't that right?
A lot of times when certain relationship get sour because of the same reason there. A woman lead on the man deceitful in their approach and make a man feel say yeah them have something going when the truth is then just want the man for what the man can give them.
Well, they have some real females out there, you know. But
yeah.
When me look on it, it's like out of 100%, you will have maybe 25% a real female out there. When we find out that most young ladies nowadays, they have youths already. You understand me? And because of wants.
You can follow me at Brini on Instagram. I sell design clothes, and you can follow Latoya Young. She just make everything when we produce.
Location?
224 Strand Street, upstairs from Meat Shop.
What are men not doing enough to please y'all, women?
They're not listening.
Okay.
Yeah, so them need to listen and them need to do things that the woman say they want to do.
Women love all sex. They love. Look at them. Everybody around here. Everyone. Look at them. Yeah, they love it.
You believe that because of our ego as men, we are not creating the environment for women to express themselves freely?
Some man, their ego get to them for real, and it make them stubborn and them no want listen to what you have to say. Even when them know that you're right, them ego put them on them pride. They make them feel like I say, oh, them right. But some women, them just need to be brave and just, if them feel like them right, just talk up for your things. That's it.
You want to shout out your Insta or a business?
Yeah, follow ST Beauty Box on Instagram for all your makeup needs. If you need to buy any makeup, get your makeup done for a special occasion, ST Beauty Box. No space, no nothing.
I remember to subscribe.
Okay, I subscribe to your channel. What's your channel name again?
Justin Blake.
Justin Blake. Oh yes, and follow Amanda's 876 Adventures on Instagram and YouTube as well.
What are men not doing enough to please y'all women? What we need for y'all do for y'all please, you know?
Well, we need to be more sensitive. We need to connect more. We really need to understand the women we have. Because, you know, so women tend to be more sensitive. And when you have a man who really understand your sensitivity, you can click. You understand? And make your home happy.
Yeah.
Right? Well, you see, when you're just busy and you're just big too, you know, say, other fruits over there so where you can go pick. Sometimes, you know, take the time out to find the details and the nitty-gritty. You understand? To host the woman.
Yeah.
You know, we get in that trouble.
Love is the engine that drives the train forward, backwards, side to side, round and round love does go. You understand me?
So when you take the time out Yo, make the woman feel nice, trust me. You have a happy home. Yes.
Some of the young people need to take notes.
Of course, they need to learn. You know from beginning, say, when a woman not happy, nobody in the house now go happy. So you see, when you take time out and make she happy, trust me, you go click. You go on road, you're happy, you well want to go back home. Yeah.
You want to shout out your business?
My business, Balando Design, straight leather products. We make it from a pin to an anchor, you name it, we make it. Shop 45 Harbour Street Craft Market. We have an Instagram page, Balando_Designs.
What we not doing enough to please the woman them?
The man them now do what they do because I never through COVID. They not give them woman and their yard as much money by helping paying the bill because man in Jamaica are opportunists and many women are working at the calling center. Use their salary to pay cocky pension.
Because of inflation. Can I get an amen?
Amen. Man not do what they have to do. So some man have to go with their low penis and their low self. Go opportunity. Man them in a Montego be a typical Jamaican are opportunists. Me can't pay a cocky pension because I'm afraid of penis. Me run funny. Like me now as a craft vendor, no money not making, so my money only have to supply my two siblings that I'm two little youths with fatherless. So right now, man not do what they have to do and you find 20 women to 1 man. Me always hear my mother play the song when I was a child. It's better to be lonely than to live a dirty life. Me stay at me shop with me shop. Me call me shop me man. At Harbour Street Craft Market and my shop number is 47. And whenever you want to see me, just come and ask for the fluffiest lady in the market, the loudest lady, and my name is CC.
What are men not doing enough to please women?
Well, they have to do all inclusive and they're not doing it.
All inclusive. All inclusive.
It's all inclusive. So that's why they get burned, and that's why them women leave them, and that's why they have to get run out of the house. Everything all inclusive. Man have to do it, everything all inclusive. Everything, no left out nothing. Cause not fight woman them pretend like they don't love the all inclusive and they love the all inclusive.
I'm sick of this shit. So I tell the truth. I'm saying what you scared to say. Ain't nothing wrong with you sit up here trying to bullshit. You do it. God see you do it. Everybody in this room eat pussy.
So guess what happen now? You see when the man them come, just tell them say what you're all inclusive and done. You see if they don't want no all inclusive, they just go on. So that's why they might lose their woman. Because they now go all inclusive. You see if they go all inclusive, woman stay in a house, money come in a house, food proper, everything proper, and everything nice. So they must do all inclusive. Happy wife, happy life, happy something, but everything good. I'm in there shop 89, Harbour Street Craft Market. Gonna come support the thing down here. Yeah.
What men not doing enough to please you know?
What if I think but we want more money, we want more comfort, come home to a nice cooked meal and you know a little rub with foot and you know a little nice queen treatment here because you want to be like a king, you want to wash, cook and clean. So treat you like a queen. Boy, I want you to do everything and want to have a bag of girl and you're the good comfort. Then do everything to get your hands and get you everything those school back.
And they be brushing that coochie against your forehead. You be shining like a glazed donut. You can't eat no pussy and you got asthma.
So we are trying to tell me say in a 2021, man not do them sit me. Please them woman.
No, sweetheart. Me know what them man they do. Most of the time, the sugar daddy them better than the command them what we love.
Yeah.
But the sugar daddy them more comforting and then give money and thing. But we want the waistline, which old man them not have.
God knows.
Shout out my nice clean friend Chantel and we like to chill spot over Craft Market. Check it out, guys. Check it out.
What are us men not doing enough to please y'all women? What we not doing enough to please you know?
Most of the time men don't listen.
Yeah?
And they don't help out a lot like around the house and with things like maybe they put the money to pay the bills them but if I say go pay one bill like they don't do it properly, they don't do it on time. Stuff like that I find that is that.
Now surprise you with breakfast in a bed. Now tell us I guess what me prepare the meat and you prepare the food part.
Yeah, they're not too helpful. Some of them are not too helpful in that aspect.
In the realest way.
Yes.
Yeah. So how about in the bedroom?
Sir, go to the private.
All right. You want to shout out the business and your location?
Yes, you can check me out at 836-6160 and you can find me at Sunshine Flower Shop number 11. If you want to get your manicure, pedicure, gel nails, acrylics, colors, designs.
Are you on Instagram?
Nishibu Leslie, Instagram.
What are men not doing enough to please y'all women?
Well, men don't want a family. All them want to go and have one woman over there, so one over there, so. Everybody want to be like David, but they need to have a foundation and family. They need to have a family structure.
That would really impact our next generation moving forward, because not having a father figure in the children's life, it really causes our society to be in turmoil.
True.
You know?
Yes.
No good structure there to really bring the child up in the manner in which they should. So that's a very interesting answer. You want to shout out a business and a location?
This is New Image Beauty Salon, 14 Strand Street, Sharon.
What we not do enough to make sure say on please and proper?
Well, they not spend much time.
Yeah.
And they not spend amount of money when they spend on the woman them. You see me? They are going like a marginal nice system and going like they want to come use style.
Yeah.
Ball, you know, make you know what my ball. I make you look like say they know like no have you like they expect you if you go say you know say me I want 2,000 or 3,000.
Oh.
They will come ball to me, you know. Where ball to me if I know say me not have it.
You don't count the money yet.
Some of them don't know if they have the din good.
Suck it! You better not bite it.
Say that again.
If they have the din proper. Yes, Glam Magic Store. Come on, come out. We have the bleaching product for we have the soap for bumper and spot, every stretch mark, liver spot, everything. Eczema, acne, everything. Strand Street, upstairs, China Doll, shop 14.
What are women not doing enough to please men?
Yo, you see my honest opinion. Pray this, you know. You see the girl them need to check on them blood clot front and ensure set.
Hey girl, you know clean up on the foot.
Clean up themselves.
Clean up on the crutches. Can't get too much gonorrhea. That's enough for the clean up on the front.
What are women not doing enough to please men?
Well, you know, say sometimes them just stay away, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
Like how?
Yo, them now spend more money on the man them, you see?
Oh.
I mean man them like youths them out there. You see me?
See.
Young youths them, we need it.
Yeah.
See me if you help them out.
See.
Mad thing, man.
When you say woman them if you do more for help youths them.
Yes.
You want to shout out a business or your Instagram?
Yeah man, Instagram see me. Tattoo man Ramon see me, man.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.